What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on CEI ticker. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamentals of this company and with potential news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will show you my forecast and technical analysis for the probable price action. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, we have a very good movement to the upside from the end of August till present day. And this movement is around 180% of potential profits. So rather good price action, and right here, as you can see, we have very high volume compared to previous. This means we have some kind of catalysts, and I will show you in a minute what type of catalysts it might be. But let's start with the fundamentals of this company. So, company profile. Camber Energy Incorporated, an independent oil and natural gas company, engaged in the acquisition, development and sale of crude oil, natural gas and natural gas liquids in the Cline shale and upper Wolfberry shale in Glasscock County, Texas. And for now, this company has a total market cap of $86.18 million. It is a tiny company, and it has a revenue of $274.1 thousand, and it has a negative net income of almost $6 million, and they have a negative revenue growth of almost 40%. They have about $1.1 million of total cash position, and they are debt-free according to this data. So it is not the best company to put your money in for the long term, especially if you don't know what is its main activity, and especially if you don't know what type of potential catalysts might be with this company. And let me show you this. On August 24th, we have this article that is titled "Camber Energy wins IP license for patented carbon capture system." And let me quote you these bullets. Camber Energy plus 6.8% pre-market after saying its Viking Energy subsidiary entered into an exclusive intellectual property license agreement with ESG Clean Energy for patent rights related to stationary electric power generation, including methods to utilize heat and capture carbon dioxide. The license is exclusive for all of Canada and non-exclusive for up to 25 locations in the United States. This transaction positions us as an industry leader in terms of being able to assist with the power generation needs of commercial and industrial organizations, while at the same time helping them reduce their carbon footprint, Camber President and CEO James Doris says. So it's quite good news. And this might be a catalyst for this company, but I don't think that it might be the main catalyst for the latest news. And a lot of YouTubers, a lot of people make the rumors about Elon Musk, and he told that he will donate $100 million to a random company who will show the best technology to capture carbon dioxide. And this might be the real catalyst. But look what I found here. We are on CNBC.com, and this article was published on February the 8th, 2021, and it's titled "The Who, What and Where of Elon Musk's $100 million prize money for carbon capture innovation." And let me show you this. On January 21st, when the Tesla CEO tweeted he would be donating $100 million toward the prize for the best carbon capture technology, he piqued interest, but also left many questions unanswered. The innovation prize will be awarded for the best technology created for removing carbon dioxide directly from the atmosphere or oceans and store that carbon in a safe, cost-effective way. It will run for 4 years, launching on April 22nd, 2021, Earth Day, and run through Earth Day 2025. And basically, this is main concern, that the prize will be donated only on 2025, in 3.5 years. And let me show you that technology should be to remove carbon dioxide from atmosphere or oceans. And right here, we have the technology that allows to produce electricity As you can see, the ESG clean energy system is designed to generate clean electricity from internal combustion engines and utilize waste heat to capture almost 100% of the carbon dioxide emitted from the engine without loss of efficiency and in a manner of facilitate the production of precious commodities. So, it is not the real technology that allows to collect current carbon dioxide emissions. It is just reducing new emissions from the electricity manufacturing. And that is why, in my opinion, this company cannot be the contender of this price. On top of that, the competition will end in 3.5 years. And that is why, in my opinion, this event cannot affect the price of CEI ticker. And let me show you this article. We are on investorplace.com, and this article was published 4 days ago, and it's titled CEI Stock News: What investors are saying about penny stock Camber Energy today. And let me quote you this. It looks like CEI stock is the newest target of retail traders looking for shares to pump higher. CEI certainly fits the mold with high short interest and low stock price. This makes it prime for manipulation as traders look to pump it up or push hedge funds out. Just remember that investments in these type of stocks can be risky. When the meme rally comes to an end, some unfortunate trader has to be left holding the bag. Investors will want to make sure it's not them. And right here you can find a lot of tweets that are related to CEI ticker, and a lot of people posted that they bought a lot of shares of this company, and I have to say it is quite usual to see this type of activity, and this potentially the real reason why we have a massive spike in price. And let me show you institutional owners. Right here we are on fintel.io, and we have a lot of filings right here, but if you divide the value of position by the number of shares, the average price of latest positions, for example of Vanguard fund, is roughly $0.65. This means it is around this level, and Vanguard is already up for more than 35%. And you have to remember that these filings have a delay for more than 45 days. On top of that, let me show you that according to finviz.com, this company has the short float only 14.26%. This means it is quite tricky to make a real short squeeze with this low float. And in my opinion, the only reason why we might see this short squeeze is because it's low number of shares. They have only 104 million shares outstanding, and that is why it might happen. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. As you can see, guys, from this bottom to this top, we have several waves, and in my opinion, this might be the case of Elliott wave breakdown, and this might be the top of our fifth wave, or we might have an extension in fifth wave. It doesn't matter for now, because we don't have enough confirmation from other indicators what type of movement we will have. But still, if this is the real case, we have to have a retracement, and we have to retrace the entire movement from this bottom to this top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale, and this means we can pull Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, because for now we have this as our highest point, and we might have a retracement to certain levels. First of all, we might land at 0.382 level, next one 0.5, and 0.618 and 0.65, the most probable levels, the most probable range, I have to say, for trend reversal. On top of this, as you can see, we have very good confluence level with previous top of the first wave, and this might also act as a support. And from this point, we might have next attempt to break swing high of this point, or potentially if we will have some leg to the upside, you have to adjust this tool in order to connect the top of the movement with this line, and in this case you will be able to project these levels by yourself. So far we have this level as our highest point, and that is why we have these levels. And what might be the targets? Let me show you right here. If I switch, I don't want to switch, and just I will show you like this. So we have a confluence level with this top, and we already hit it. As you can see, we are hovering right around this level for now. This means our next potential target and support line might be this previous top, and it is confluence level with this top and this one, and it is at the level of around $2.3, $2.32. And next major resistance, it is an all-time high, and it is around $3.22. So with the good bullish sentiment and after the retracement, we might see this massive spike and we might hit these targets. And from our current price, it might be up to 182% to our first target, and about a little bit less than 300% to second target. But you have to be extremely cautious. And let me show you why. As you can see, we have extremely overbought RSI, and we have, if we will go lower from this point, this will form a bearish divergence when we see lower highs on RSI with higher highs on price action. And this will indicate that we might have a trend reversal, and this trend reversal is exactly the same price action that I think will happen today, and that is why you have to be extremely cautious. In other case, more bullish case, if RSI will exceed this previous top, and eventually this means that the price should go higher. In this case, we will have more bullish chances to hit our potential targets. But you still have to be extremely cautious because this asset has a very high volatility, and that is why you have to ladder your buys down with the price action. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. Just be extremely cautious, and if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with the notification bell, and see you guys until next time. Bye!